Unfortunately, due to the nature of STEM presentations, because they are usually very complicated, they have lots of background information. Sometimes this is why your presentations are so boring, because you just have to let everyone know about every single thing that you are wanting to tell them about. You can't narrow it down because there's just so much cool information, and they should really be excited about everything that you have to say. The problem with that is that when you do that, you end up with slides like this. This is a slide from a tech company, a software company, and they are trying to convince a client that they should buy this product, the software product. Does this say to you anything other than, Anyone tell me what the meaning of this slide is? Exactly. So, drinking from the fire hose, that means that you are trying to give someone a ton of information when actually they just need a little taste, a little sip. So you need to be able to curate that information and to be able to tell people what they need to know in order to do what you want them to do. Because if you give them too much information, that's confusing. I'm sure that all of you have been to presentations given by people outside of your particular field, and they just unload all this stuff on you. Does that sound familiar? Ever been to a presentation where you're just going, what am I looking at? I'm seeing some nodding heads.